In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Woocommerce with Elementor. Starting a website or an online store can seem like a mountain of tasks, but with the right tools, it becomes a scenic journey. Today we're embarking on a venture into the seamless integration of Woocommerce with Elementor, a pairing as harmonious as coffee and mornings. First off, let's dive into the heart of your WordPress site. Navigate your way to the dashboard. When you first log in, you're greeted with a multitude of options. Think of this like your control panel for everything that happens on your website. You're about to add some magic into the mix. Next, we're going to find Elementor in your dashboard. Elementor is a powerful page builder that lets you create beautiful pages with a simple, intuitive drag and drop interface. No coding skills required. Click on it and you're stepping into the artist's room, ready to paint your digital canvas. With Elementor open, it's time to create a page. This is where the fun begins. You're at the threshold of bringing your ideas to life. Creating a page is as straightforward as it sounds, but it's the blank slate where your creativity kicks into high gear. As we dive into customizing your page with Elementor, remember, this is where your unique vision for your site begins to take shape. Elementor's user-friendly interface allows you to add, customize, and experiment with various elements seamlessly. You can drag and drop widgets, insert text, images, videos, and more. The customization options are endless, ensuring your page is not just a page, but a reflection of your brand and creativity. Finally, after pouring your heart and soul into the design, playing around with the layout, and ensuring everything is just the way you want it, publish your masterpiece. With the click of a button, your page goes from a private work of art to a live masterpiece ready to be visited by the world. It's not just a page, it's your page, a testament to what you and your business stand for. Through these steps, we've navigated the straightforward yet exciting process of using Woocommerce and Elementor together. This combination is a powerhouse for anyone looking to start or revamp their online store. Woocommerce handles the e-commerce part, managing products, transactions, and shipping, while Elementor allows you to create stunning visuals and layouts to showcase your products beautifully. Here are a few additional tips to ensure you get the most out of this integration. 1. Take the time to explore the wide range of widgets and features Elementor offers. The more you play around with it, the more comfortable you will become in bringing your visions to life. 2. Woocommerce comes with its set of widgets in Elementor, allowing you to seamlessly integrate products and categories into your pages. Make sure to explore these to enhance your product pages and make them as informative and enticing as possible. 3. Always preview your changes before publishing. It ensures your site looks good on all devices, offering the best possible experience for your visitors. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic and engaging online store that not only looks great, but is powered by two of the most robust tools in the digital world, Woocommerce and Elementor. Remember, every great site starts with a single step, or in this case, a single page. Embrace the journey and let your creativity lead the way. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. The world of WordPress, Woocommerce, and Elementor is vast and full of potential. I hope today's video has illuminated the path for your online venture, empowering you to create, customize, and captivate. Happy building!